Plant growth time-lapse videos are exploding right now. Look at this Instagram page. Almost 91,000 followers built entirely on this one content style. 2 of their videos already crossed 71 million and 66 million views, another sitting at 2.5 million, and the rest are pulling in thousands to millions each. That's not luck, that's a formula. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build it for free using 2 different AI tools so you can actually compare the results yourself. Here's what I made in under 5 minutes. It was amazing. Now, without wasting any time, let's get into the production. Head to the description below and grab the Notion prompt file I've already written for you. Copy the full prompt, paste it into Claude, and hit enter. It'll give you 10 plant concepts to choose from. Strawberry, sunflower, chili pepper, whatever feels the most visually satisfying. Pick your favorite, paste the number back in, and Claude generates a complete, ready-to-use cinematic video prompt. Full camera movement, lighting, growth sequence, and audio design, all done for you. Now here's the part most people skip. Don't just generate this in one tool. Copy that same prompt into both Google Flow and Arena so you can compare and pick the best result. Start with Flow. Select the video option. Choose your model. I'll go with OmniFlash. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and choose how many results you want. I'll go with 1. Paste the prompt and generate. Flow is now generating the video. While that's running, let's jump over to Arena. Select the video option here, paste the exact same prompt, and at the bottom, set the ratio to 9:16 as well. Generate. Now let's go back and check Flow first. And as you can see, we got a perfect plant growth time-lapse, complete with sound. Let's look at both results together. As you can see, both videos turned out great. Same concept, same quality. But for me, I'm choosing Arena. And if you want to know the real secret, Arena AI lets you make over 40 videos a day. If you want to learn exactly how, go to my Telegram channel. I post videos there. Or just comment Arena below, and I'll send you the link directly. Quick pause. Juggling Claude, Flow, Arena, Notion. If you're managing a whole workflow like this with a team, let me show you the tool for solving this exact problem. This is Teamly AI. The second you open it, you realize it's not just another AI chatbot. Teamly AI is an instant messenger where you can chat with people, chat with AI agents, or even have multiple people and multiple AI agents collaborating together in the same conversation. Open the Agents Marketplace and you'll find hundreds of specialists ready to help, from code reviewers and UI designers to data engineers and historians. Just add the agents you need into your chat, and they immediately start working alongside everyone in the conversation. For example, you, your designer, and your marketer can all be in one group chat while different AI agents write content, review code, brainstorm ideas, summarize discussions, and assign tasks, all together in one place. It also includes powerful automations that can generate your daily work brief, monitor competitors, organize projects into tasks, and keep your team moving. Plus, the Discover feed lets you explore what the community has already built. This one right here, Pixel Forge Pro, a fully working photo editor, was created entirely inside a chat by AI agents and shared for anyone to remix. So instead of starting from zero every time, you're building on top of what the community has already created while collaborating with your teammates and AI agents in one place. Check out Teamly AI using the link in the description. It's available now on web, iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows. Alright, back to what we were talking about. Which one do you think looks more realistic, Flow or Arena? Drop your pick in the comments. And subscribe now so you don't miss the next viral AI niche the moment it drops.